शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। ललाटोदयमाभुग्नं पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला
ललाटोदयमाभुग्नं पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला ललाटोदयमाभुग्नं पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला
बिभ्रती श्वेतरोमाङ्कं सन्ध्येव शशिनं नवम्
बिभ्रती श्वेतरोमाङ्कं सन्ध्येव शशिनं नवम् बिभ्रती श्वेतरोमाङ्कं सन्ध्येव शशिनं नवम् ललाटोदयं आभुग्नं पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला बिभ्रति श्वेतरोमाङ्कं संध्या इव शशिनं नवम्
आसीत् स्थिता आसीत्. So Nandini. So now it is like the description of Nandini. सा कथम आसीत् बिभ्रति. कां बिभ्रति
श्वेतरोमाङ्कं बिभ्रति.
ఎక్కడ
లోపల మంది ఇందాక అరిపించిందా చూరావే చిన్మయ్
नवम
श्वेतरोमाङ्कं बिभ्रति.
श्वेतरोमाङ्कं सा पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला.
कथम आसीत् पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला. नवं शशिनं संध्या इव.
नवं शशिनं संध्या इव
पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला श्वेतरोमाङ्कं बिभ्रति आसीत्. ललाटोदयम् आभुग्नं श्वेतरोमाङ्कम्.
फुल अन्वयं.
ललाटोदयम् पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला ललाटोदयम् आभुग्नं श्वेतरोमाङ्कं बिभ्रति अथवा श्वेतरोमाङ्कं नव संध्या शशिनं नवं शशिनं बिभ्रति इव. संध्या नवं शशिनं इव बिभ्रति स्थिता आसीत्. ओके. सो पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला ललाटोदयम् आभुग्नं श्वेतरोमाङ्कं संध्या नवं शशिनं इव बिभ्रति आसीत्.
ओराटी सॉल्ट. पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला ललाटोदयम् आभुग्नं श्वेतरोमाङ्कं नवं शशिनं
संध्या नवं शशिनं इव.
संध्या नवं शशिनं इव श्वेतरोमाङ्कं बिभ्रति आसीत्.
அதெல்லாம் முன்னாடியே சொல்லணும். பல்லவ ஸ்னிக்த பாட்டலா லலாட்டோதயம் ஆபுக்னம் ஸ்வேதரோமாங்கம் சந்தியா நவம் சசினம் இவ பிப்ரதி ஸ்திதா ஆசீத். ஓகே. So how is that Nandini? Pallava snigdha patala. So patala shabdasya ishad raktavarnaha ityartha. So reddish. Patala, the meaning of patala is reddish. And how it is very what you call tender. So Pallava is what? Pallava is a what you call what you call the is over there. So the when any tree or anything is growing, the first thing that comes out, it will be very tender, right? The leaves that come. Afterwards, they grow a bit more and they Nava Pallava. So that is Pallava. What do you call it as a sprouting or something? Sprout is it can also be called as Pallava, not essentially sprout itself. Even afterwards, when the trees will have leaves, in the beginning stage, they'll be very in light green in color and they'll be very tiny and they'll be very smooth. So that is Pallava. So Pallavavat snigdha. Snigdha means very fragile in this sense. Okay. It seems to be very fragile in nature, like the Pallava, and it is reddish in color. The Nandini is, and it is actually having slight white hair. Shweta romankam. Anka is essentially what you call a chinha. Chinha is what? A sign. Sign, right? Anka is sign. So you imagine that the whole cow is in reddish, light reddish in color. Kapila go. Not now we can take it as a brownish, right? That color. Where Shweta Roma is the white color. What you call? You have a small, tiny white hair growing at the forehead. That is also Lalatodayam. So this Shweta Roma is grown at the Lalata Bhaga. Lalata is what? The forehead. And Ahugnam. It is Ishad Vakram. So it is not straight. It is curved. Okay. So that means if you do your forehead like this, there will be some what you call it as wrinkles, right? So like that. Okay. And how is all this? It is like Sandhya Shashinam Navam Bibhrati Iva. Sandhya is the sunset time or the sunrise time. It's called as Sandhya. Now we have to take here as sunset. At the time of sunset, many a times you even not only see the sun setting, but even the Chandrodaya also happening. Even the moon also will start appearing. So it is similar, like the Sandhya is actually having Navam Shashinam. So when the Chandrodaya happens, the moon is not seen very clearly. It is vaguely seen. The white moon is vaguely seen. So he is Navam Shashinam. Right? So here also this Nandini is also similarly. The red color is essentially the Sandhya Kala. And the white hair that is being there is like the Chandra. So this is how the cow is being described. Okay. Bibhrati is holding it.
One who has.
Bharanam, that is actually upholding is what the word means.
Lalatodayam. Akaranta नपुंसकलिंग ललाटोदय शब्दस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम् आभुग्नम् अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग आभुग्न शब्दस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम् पल्लव स्निग्धपाटला.
Here all these things are in pullinga.
पल्लव स्निग्धपाटला आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग पल्लव स्निग्धपाटला शब्दस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं बिभ्रति ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग बिभ्रति शब्दस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं श्वेतरोमाङ्कम् अकारान्त पुंलिंग श्वेतरोमाङ्क शब्दस्य द्वितीयाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं संध्या आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग संध्या शब्दस्य प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम् इव अव्ययपदं शशिनं नकारान्त पुंलिंग शशिन् शब्दस्य द्वितीयाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं नवम अकारान्त
पुंलिंग
नव शब्दस्य द्वितीयाविभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं
ललाटोदयम् ललाटे उदयः यस्य सः ललाटोदयः बहुव्रीहि.
நீங்க பண்ணிட்டு சொன்னீங்க, நான் ட்ரை பண்ணேன், பட் ललाटस्य उदयम्
ललाटस्य उदयः அப்படினா what will be the meaning? The emergence of lalata. So that will have no meaning. So here what is the meaning? Lalate udayah yasya. It is talking about the Shvetaromankam. So it is being seen at the lalata bhaga. What is being seen? The Shvetaromankam is being seen. Okay.
पल्लव स्निग्ध पाटला
पल्लवः इव स्निग्धा पल्लव स्निग्धा उपमा पूर्वपद कर्मधारया पल्लव स्निग्धा च सा पाटला च पल्लव स्निग्ध पाटला. श्वेतरोमाङ्कम् श्वेतः श्वेतरोमाणि श्वेतानि च तानि रोमाणि श्वेतरोमाणि श्वेतरोमाण्येव अंकः श्वेतरोमाङ्कः. So Shvetaroma, that is the white hair, are themselves a sign. So it is Sambhavana Purvapada Karmadharaya. Shashah asya asti iti shashi. Once recite the shloka.
ललाटोदयमाभुग्नं पल्लवस्निग्धपाटला बिभ्रति श्वेतरोमाङ्कं सन्ध्येव शशिनं नवम्.
We'll stop here for today.